Hey everyone, so a lot of my IT channel partners has been asking me that why they should go towards the monthly recurring revenue business model, that is MSP, and also how they can convince the end users to go that way as well. So today I'm going to cover off a couple of key points from both sides of the industry and tell you how and why you should do it. So the first is you need to sell yourself. So by that, what I mean is, the end user doesn't care what vendor you are dealing with, what vendor they are purchasing. What they want is and what you need to do is you need to sell yourself as a service. So it doesn't matter the back end of a storage craft, malware bytes, SolarWinds, the end user doesn't need to know. You can white label the solutions and provide as your IT reseller service, your name of the company, and / cybersecurity services, or disaster recovery as a service by your company name. The end user doesn't need to know. And just because the end user doesn't know the type or the vendor that you're dealing with and the solutions you're providing, you can provide tailored solutions for your end user. That's coming to my next point. So you can provide tailored solutions based on your end user's needs. So if there are specific requirements, and of course not all companies are the same, and not all of them need the same type of fixed solution, this is why the MRR solution comes in as well. So this is why you need tailored solutions, brand yourself and sell yourself in a monthly contract where you can tie your customers in a contract here, so you can keep going, keep seeing them every month, asking them if this is still the thing you want, and keep sort of having a checkup with them as in a monthly manner. And the last one is forecastable revenue. You can forecast your revenue with this business model. So it's good to, who wouldn't want to be able to tell, okay, this month I'm going to earn this much money, and the next 12 months this money is coming in as a fixed price, as a fixed revenue. So you don't have to chase up renewals with the end users every year, rather than just keep a check with them every month and get their money rolling in every month. So these are the three key advantages as an IT reseller on why you should adapt the monthly recurring revenue. Now let's jump onto the end user side quickly, and then I'll cover a couple of key things. The first one is there is lower entry point. Lower entry point. So by that, what I mean is, let's say you're paying for a solution, it's a $500 solution for a year. Why wouldn't you pay $40 for it for every month? You're getting the same solution, it's just an easier and a lower entry point. Yeah, and you can tie it down to your other monthly fees, other monthly expenditure, and just get that in a very consistent way every month. And that's the first advantage for your end users. Second is you can build the connection, the connection the trust with your IT reseller. Because you're in chat with your IT reseller every month, you can build that trust with them and keep them up to date on the requirements that you have every month. And this is another key thing that your end user with. So let's say, for example, another reseller comes into the picture and they try to poach your particular end user. Your end user has no clue what vendors they're dealing with. They just know they're using your IT reseller as a service, which is another advantage to both parties. And last one, very similar, is the end user can they can also forecast their expenditure. So in the same manner, the same expenditure your end user has, the water bill, the energy bill, they can tie in the same your service in the monthly manner as well. So these are some of the key things that that will help both of the parties in this scenario, the monthly recurring revenue, and there's some more as well. So if you want to find out more about this and how you can adapt the monthly recurring revenue, get in touch with me and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.